Catcoin is taking the internet by storm, but should you buy this project or just hold off? Guys, this project is actually taking over the internet, it's taking over Twitter, and slowly taking over crypto universe. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive into Catcoin. We're taking a look at technical analysis, price action, and some updates on their social channels. There's a bunch of exciting things happening in the future for this project, and let's see whether or not it's worth aping a bag into, and if this project is really going to the moon. Like always, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let's jump into it. So overall, guys, the crypto market is doing all right today. Yeah, we're down 1% on the day, but earlier today everything was pumping. We saw upwards of 8% across the board. Not only that, guys, but this is actually very bullish. But finally, after I believe a month and a half, we've re-entered greed. We've been dancing around in neutral for quite some time now, and now we've officially entered greed in terms of the fear and greed index. So that's great. You can see just a while ago we entered neutral and we stayed in neutral. We even came very close to greed, but it looks like now we're going back into greed. Or sorry, we came close to fear, but now we're re-entering greed, which is absolutely great for the crypto market, especially what's going on right now with the meme coin mania and the altcoin mania, and also what's going on with the stock coin mania with the meme stocks pumping as well. That's going to be overall great for the crypto market. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with Catcoin. Catcoin currently up 25% on the day, and the interesting part about Catcoin, guys, is it's pumping. When a lot of coins pumped, we saw a pullback, but in this case, it's pumping. People are just diamond handing. Not a lot of selling going on. The community is very bullish. Catcoin, the dog's days are over. People have no idea what's coming for Cat. The hat stays on. Now, this token specifically has a $30 million market cap. When we go to the actual meme coins tab and we look at the top meme coins, these coins are in the billions. Pepe 4 billion, Shiba Inu 14 billion, dogecoin at 21 billion, right? And compare this to dogecoin, a $2 billion market cap. Now Catwifhat is nowhere near this, not even in the $100 million mark, meaning we're very early, and this could be one of the most massive projects to get behind, so you're not going to want to miss out. It's on Solana, and we've been seeing these Solana tokens go absolutely berserk. Even the technicals are looking so bullish. Oscillators are neutral, but moving averages are in strong buy. The overall summary is to buy this token. It's going absolutely crazy. When we look at the chart, we can see just a phenomenal pump. Not a lot of pullbacks. You know, we saw a small dip here, popped off. We've seen small correction, but overall, it's a solid project. Looks like it's taking the internet by storm. Even on Twitter with over 137,000 followers, the hottest cat on Solana with a 4% auto burn on chain transactions. So they have an auto burn fee, which again is causing the price to continue to go up as they're reducing supply as transactions continue. We can see over here as well, nice technical analysis drawn up. This is like the cat formation. If you've never heard of the cat formation, this basically means the project is going to the moon. Obviously, it's a joke. There's no such thing as a cat formation, but it's just funny. You know, it's a meme coin mania, right? Bring on the memes. We can see May 16, Catwifhat and Dogwifhat snapshot. So Catwifhat is at $28 million market cap versus Dogwifhat at a $2.8 billion market cap. There's a 98x difference. So we can easily see Catwifhat 100x from here. Very, very bullish on what comes next for this project. We watch this closely. The burns have been great. Our 53% have been burnt, which is absolutely insane. We have a clean website as well. We took a look at just a couple videos ago. 1.2 million holders, $28 million verified market cap, 77 trillion original supply, and 35 trillion verified supply remaining. We see over 1.5 billion hourly burns and 1.12 trillion in the 30-day burns. Absolutely insane. Guys, if you haven't gone to Catwifhat and want to get into the project early as well, we're also covering Solana, a token that's currently on pre-sale, which I'm going to link in the description below. The pre-sale is live, guys. This is current pre-sale price 0.02 cents, and they raised almost $1.3 million. The price is not going to stay this low for a while, so you may want to load up a bag. They have a how to buy tab, very simple. They have a story as well that we went on our last review video, and most importantly, they're growing rapidly fast. Over 3,000 followers, but $1.3 million raised. This one could go absolutely crazy. Similar to how we saw Solana absolutely take over the internet, you're not going to want to miss out. Yeah, but back to Catwifhat, guys. I think Catwifhat has a massive opportunity here. We see it's trending on top of, like, so again, big names like it's alongside Book of Meme, the Rally. I think Catwifhat could be that one meme coin that really starts fighting against the dogs, as the dogs have been taken over for too long now, and it's time to enter the cat in the mix. But guys, if you want to buy Solana, I'm going to link in the description below, and let me know how you guys are feeling about Catwifhat. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you stand behind the project? Let me know your thoughts, your opinions, concern, all in the comment section. Like always, guys, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.